look at this one. Look, ang dami-daming mga bird. Nandito kami sa Oceanside. Nag-bike kami ng aking grandson. My grandson.
That's me.
That's my grandson.
That's me.
Ayun. Malayo na. 10 miles na kami from San Luis Rey. Ayan o, ang ocean. Uy. That's beautiful.
See that?
I like it. Nakakahiya. Ayan! I'm a monkey now. Okay. Monkey Lola. Ah.
Lola monkey, like grandma.
Okay, that's it.
There, look. Look, you see this old dude right there? Look, he's like an old man. Look, you can still surf. You still surf. Oh! Now, but you see that old man? Where'd he go? Look, you see that old man? I'm supposed to get into something. Look at this. We just finished biking. Oh, look at him. Actually, I don't think I was supposed to be saying anything. I don't know. You know what's gonna happen? He's just gonna put music straight over this. I don't know.
Good morning, everyone. Allah. Look at that.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun.
Bibili daw siya ng donut. That is my grandson. Hawaiian donuts. Ayan, bibili daw siya ng
Yeah, it's in the
Taro powder on the outside?
No,
Actually, they're purple.
$4 each.
Let's get one.
This is my girlfriend's recipe from the Big Island. Ah, several little salad trucks.
Ayan, nag-order ng donut ang aking apo. Kami yung dalawa ang nag-bike. Ngayon, at saka yung husband ko. What is that name?
Check this out.
Ah?
This is powdered and the guava filling.
And how much is that?
It was $4.
$4.
Hopefully it was worth it. It's warm.
I appreciate that you was gonna get to what you busy.
How are you?
Okay. Please, I'm broke, but that's okay. I'm still vacationing. Like the rich people, I'm still on the beach. I know you wish you could be here, but that's okay. All you gotta do is fly in. Don't spend $1. Sleep on the beach.
Oh, that's good. Hold on a second. I have to call my grandson. Come
Look,
here.
palm trees, palmer tree, palmer tree.
What is he
palm
doing?
tree. He's showing us
he's-
people we can be broke, but we can vacate. We
I'm broke
vacationing
too.
and we don't got nothing, but we have palm
Yeah,
tree,
sorry.
beach, and one big ass rock. See, we so. Oh, thank you. I appreciate you. Putting up trash, people swimming. I'm broke and I'm vacationing, and I didn't need to get that.
Okay, thank you.